Hello and welcome to this quick video. Apologies for the voice, just recovering from a little bit of a head cold. Yes, it's that time of year, but I wanted to make a quick video because I've been sent this from XTAR. This is their latest charger. This is the L8 Pro. Now I've had the L8 for ages. I've been using it with their rechargeable lithium ion based 1.5 volt AA and AAA cells, and they also charges and can recondition things like that to things like nickel hydride. Now they have started making different battery technologies, so these are actually XTAR batteries that are nickel based rather than lithium based. So if you have something like one of their chargers that does both chemistries, you can snap them all in and keep it all with the same brand. Now I've been using these batteries, both the AA and the AAA lithium ion based stuff, for probably almost 2 years at this point. Since I've got into this technology, I haven't bought another pack of disposable regular alkaline batteries. I used to buy those big boxes, those big packs from Costco with Duracell and go through them on a pretty regular basis. Lots of things in the house and also in the hobby use AA and AAA cells, including things like the microphone that I'm currently using right now, but also other bits and pieces, cameras and stuff too. And it's great because the lithium ion technology that's in here, it's basically a little lithium ion cell, a little circuit board on top that converts that voltage down to 1.5 volts. And it's quite cute in that as the battery is getting towards the end of its charge, it'll actually drop the voltage to let the low voltage circuitry on whatever you've got let you know that it's time to change them out. Lots and lots of them in the house. There's only one downside, and for those of you that have tried these and use a lot of AM radio, you know that that little converter that's inside the cell actually creates a little bit of AM noise in the radio band. However, with all the radio control stuff that I've been using here, wireless microphones and everything else, I've never seen that issue. So it's a very specific band, I guess, that you'll be using if you bump into that issue. Now, I did a video about this time last year when they were celebrating their 19th birthday, and guess what? That's why I'm making this video as well, because they're celebrating their 20th birthday and they have a number of giveaways and promotional things that they're going to be doing on their website. So do keep an eye open for that. And as part of that, they very kindly offered one of these to one of you viewers. So standard stuff. If you want to be in a chance to win an L8 Pro, doesn't come with batteries, but the L8 Pro will recharge and recondition things like nickel hydride and other bits and pieces. It'll support mixed charging, has a display at the top now, it'll auto take the battery type, has 3-stage charging for the lithium ion technology cells, CVSA technology for nickel hydride. It'll also refresh those cells as well and recover low voltage batteries. If you want to try one out, then standard stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. If you include the words XTAR in your post, I will use the random comment picker to pick the names out in about 7 days. XTAR has also asked me, could you please, if you're going to be entering the draw, pop across to this address, I'll put a link down below, and join their forums. But just a bit of news then, L8 Pro charger is out. I'm going to be swapping my L8 for this L8 Pro. I like the fact it's got the screen on the top to let me know what's happening. And also there's a chance now for you to win one of these as well as part of their 20th anniversary celebration. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.